everybody. Lee Roth here with the Dean King Training Institute. Just want to take a second to reach out to everybody and talk about the Mobile Tech Expo in Las Vegas for a minute. You know, it's funny, we were looking around online and just kind of checking things out the last couple of days, and not too many people are really talking about it other than MTE and the particular vendors that are going to be there. And I just wanted to, you know, just kind of mention it for a few minutes and throw some shout outs to some of the people that are going to be there. And we're all really excited here at the Dean King because for the very first time, we've got a booth at the Mobile Tech Expo, and it's being held in Las Vegas for the first time. So it's just a great time for the entire industry to come together and really partner up and just make it such a better situation and better for all of the technicians and the vendors and everybody out there. We're actually, like I said, really excited about being at Mobile Tech Expo officially for the very first time. We're going to be in booth 1706. Right next to B&D Tools, so we're real excited about that. And the thing that's really cool about having the expo this time of year and in Las Vegas is it's going to give an opportunity to a bunch of the West Coast guys, the guys from California, up and down the West Coast, and even some of the mountain states in Arizona and Colorado and some of the northern states. Guys that don't normally take the trek all the way down to Orlando in January, where the Mobile Tech Expo has always been. This is going to be a new avenue for them to be able to come and meet with all the guys and see all the tool vendors and play with a bunch of the new cool stuff out there that a lot of us in the hail industry that regularly go to Orlando may not have had the opportunity to do in the past. And that's one thing that's real exciting about for the West Coast guys and the mountain states guys and the northern states guys. So we're all real excited about it. And all the big vendors are going to be there. I mean, all the usual guys, B&D Tools are going to be there, Anson PDR, Stanliner, A1, Dentcraft, just to name a few. And don't get mad at me, anybody. I know I left some people out. Magnatech and you know, just all the big name vendors are going to be there, and so don't hesitate to go by these different booths and check things out. And another thing that's happening this year for the first time that I think is just absolutely amazing, especially for guys that are new to a lot of the tools that have come out on the market just recently, and even some that have been out for a year or two that have never had the opportunity to go to the show and get some of these tools in their hands. PDR Tool Time has set up their booth, and in their booth they're going to have a couple of demo cars. Now, you know, I like you guys know me, you know I like to keep it real, so I just kind of want to explain my understanding of what's going to go on. All the vendors out there that have their tools for sale, if an individual vendor chooses, they can put you on an honor system or walk you over to the PDR Tool Time booth where you will potentially have the opportunity to try out a tool even before you buy it. And that's never been the case before at MTE. The potential of what that can do for a bunch of the technicians that have never had the opportunity to try a bunch of the tools that are out there, I think is absolutely fabulous. So kudos to all the vendors out there that end up doing that, and big congrats to the guys at PDR Tool Time with Vince and Daniel and John and Hudson for putting that together and allowing that to come into their booth. And I just think it's a really, really great idea and a great opportunity for a lot of guys. Anyhow, like I said, I just wanted to take this few minutes to just really get everybody pumped up and excited about MTE. It's coming up really quick. It's next month. The actual dates of the show are the 5th and the 6th of September, so it's Friday and Saturday. The education day and setup day is the day before on the 5th. So there's going to be a lot of educational stuff that goes on. And for any of you guys that have never been to an MTE, don't think of it as just a tool sales show. That's not what MTE is at all. Yes, you can go in and you can buy tools from all the vendors, and there's a lot of new stuff that's on display. Absolutely. But it's way, way more than that. There's educational seminars. There's different conference seminars that you can go to and learn. I think Mobile Tech RX is doing a product seminar on their stuff. There's different hail seminars and educational seminars, things that you can learn out there that you don't have any other opportunity to get together with guys in the industry that do the same thing you do day in and day out to learn a lot of different stuff. So the information that you can grab and take out of MTE is worth the trip alone, even if you don't buy a single tool. So take advantage of the opportunity of it being in Vegas for the first time, and I really hope that this comes off the way everybody is excited that it's going to, and that they continue to have them in Las Vegas. If you don't make it to Vegas, hopefully we'll see you in January in Orlando. And don't forget, guys, one of the really cool things about MTE is it's not just for the PDR industry. It's for the detailer industry. It's for the touch-up industry. It's for the interior industry. It's for total automotive reconditioning across the board. Some of the highest end detail products are going to be available there and have seminars. Different buffer manufacturers and chemical manufacturers are usually there. And there's lots and lots of tech information and seminars that you can get information for the detailing industry, the entire automotive reconditioning industry. So take that in mind, bring that to the table, come out, enjoy yourself, have a great time in Las Vegas, and let's learn some new stuff to make us all a bunch more money. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon.